Hello everyone. So we are going to learn about the muscle tone, which is commonly asked in Viva, what is tone, right? So tone is defined as the resistance of the muscle to passive elongation. जब हम पैसिव मूवमेंट करवाते हैं then we feel the resistance which is in normal individual, so we can feel the resistance or stretch when an individual attempts to maintain the muscle relaxation. जब हम स्ट्रेच करते हैं और stretch when an individual attempts to maintain the muscle relaxation. हम जब stretch करते हैं muscle को then we feel the relaxation, that is called as tone, right? It represents the degree of residual contraction in normally innervated resting muscle or steady state of contraction. हम कितने भी रिलैक्स हो जाए but some amount of resistance will be there, okay, in normal individual. Now the factors responsible for the tone: physical inertia, that means Newton's first law, right? The physical inertia and the intrinsic mechanical elastic stiffness of the muscle and connective tissue. Okay, in muscle there is elasticity, right? So we can stretch but in certain amount, right? In ligament we cannot stretch. If we stretch the ligament, if we try to stretch the ligament, it will tear. Okay, the property of the muscle elasticity is because of the proteins, you know about actin and myosin, right? Reflex muscle contraction, the reflexes, about deep reflex, deep tendon reflexes, right, and all. Now tone abnormalities, that is three types in there: hypotonia and dystonia. We'll learn about three in detail, right? So first of all we'll learn about the hypertonia. What is hypertonia? Tone increased above normal resting levels. In normal tones, normal tone, it is increased in some amount, that is called as hypertonia. Hypertonic movement disorder includes mainly that is spasticity, right? What is spasticity? Spasticity is a hypertonic movement disorder. It is a hypertonic movement disorder characterized by velocity dependent resistance to passive stretch. Now we can understand how we can understand is in muscle in there is a spasticity or not. So due to the velocity, it is dependent on the velocity, right? We do the fast passive movement of the limb, and from that we can understand about the spasticity. We can feel the resistance, right? For the good resistance we have to do the fast and quicker movement. Large and quicker the stretch, stronger the resistance to of a spastic muscle. तो हम जितनी भी लार्जर और क्विकर मूवमेंट करवाएंगे, वी कैन feel the strong resistance of the spastic muscle. So we will learn further in next video.